Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sydney Amira Aulia. Now I will explain about my article journal. The title is The Correlation of Student Vocabulary Achievement and Speaking Ability in Senior High School. Okay, so this is the overview. I will explain about the introduction, the method, the result, and the conclusion and suggestion. Okay, first I will explain about the introduction. So vocabulary is one of the most important language aspect in learning English. So if you want to master in English, you must learn vocabulary. And speaking is a necessary ability that ought to be educated in teaching English for junior high faculty. As a result of speaking is one of the central part of communication to specific the plan to the others. Fitria 2090 said. This research will analyze what the correlation student vocabulary achievement and speaking ability in senior high school. And now we move to the method. So in this research, using quantitative research, furthermore, this study used correlational design. And the purpose of this correlational research is to decide the correlation among variables or use those correlation to make prediction. And the population of this research in senior high school from 30 students in all of school at Surabaya, and this study selected them to be participants of this research since they are students of 12 of senior high school in Surabaya and are experienced as students who understand about vocabulary achievement and speaking English. In the study, the instrument we use is questionnaire with closed-ended question from Google Form. And the step is the student given questionnaire with 20 close-ended question, and after that after student fill out the questionnaire, these rules will begin to record the result of the questionnaire. Then the result will test the validity and reliability of each question item. After that, this study will do a normality test on the sample that has been obtained. And in addition, testing using this test is also fairly simple, and this research use SPSS 25 for check the data. Okay, we move to the result of this research. So the result of the correlation coefficient test above, it can be seen that the significant value is less than 0.05, or the result is 0.000, which is state hypothesis 0 is rejected and hypothesis 1 is accepted. Then it can be concluded there is a relationship between student vocabulary achievement and student speaking ability. The result of the Pearson product moment correlation test is 0.965, which means that the relationship student vocabulary achievement and student speaking ability is at a very strong level. And the correlation coefficient in the result above is also positive, which means the relationship between the two variables is unidirectional. Okay, the last part is conclusion and suggestion for the future research. Okay, the result of this research is relationship student vocabulary achievement and student speaking ability is at a very strong level. So students manage to memorize a lot of vocabulary. It will make them confident to be active and speak in class. Speaking and vocabulary have a very good relationship. So there are several things that can be used as academic and future research. Number one is the result of this study are expected to be reference of for teachers in improving vocabulary and speaking teaching strategies in English lesson. And number 2, for future research could, for instance, investigate how high performing students in speaking English at the class. Okay, I think that's all for my presentation today. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.